Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to answer the question how to save money on Lyft rides. Now, the first thing you need to do is check for and apply promo codes. That's the first way to save money. Now, how do you do this? Open the Lyft app, navigate to the menu, usually the three horizontal lines at the top, then tap on rewards or promos. Look for an option that says add promo code. Enter any valid promo codes you have found or received and tap apply. The discounts will be automatically applied to eligible future rides. Second thing you can do is to compare ride options. You see, when requesting a ride after entering your destination, look at the different ride types offered, e.g. Lyft, Lyft XL, Lyft shared, or shared ride if available in your area. Next, select the most affordable option that meets your needs. Lyft shared is typically the cheapest if available. Then you should avoid peak or high demand times. Open the app and check ride prices before requesting. If prices are significantly higher than usual, often indicated by a notification or higher fare estimate, consider waiting a short while if your schedule allows, as prices can fluctuate based on demand. Another way you can do it is by using Lyft rewards and linked accounts. Open the Lyft app menu, tap on rewards, explore any offers, partnerships like with airplanes, airlines or hotels, or loyalty programs like Lyft Pink that are available, and link your accounts if beneficial. Ensure you understand their terms and how rewards are earned and applied first. You can also refer new users to save money. How? Open the Lyft app menu. Look for a refer a friend or a similar option. Share your unique referral code or link with new users. When they sign up and take their first ride using your code, you can earn ride credits as a reward. You can also consider using the wait and save if it's available. When requesting a ride, look for a wait and save option. This option may offer a lower fare in exchange for a potential longer waiting time for a driver. Select this